So hello guys, welcome back to our channel and let's do this question and let's read this. In the given equation, S and P are constant. Okay, S and P are constant, fine, and P is greater than 9S. Okay, this is the condition. This condition is given so that this will be uh, this cannot be 0, right? And the product of the solution to the equation is this. Okay, this is the product. What is the value of S? Fine. So let's assume like this is the equation and there are two solutions, A and B, and we know the product which is AB, right? AB and this product, and okay, mm, we can say that because here is also x minus b and here is also x minus b, one solution is b, right? Because like if you do this uh, and here you can see like if we sum up this equation and take common x minus b, then x minus b is one solution and another left out will be another solution, right? So we can say that p is one solution here. So p is one solution and another and the product of the solution is this. So in example, I can say that if we have A and we have the product, then to find B, we can do product divided by one solution, which will give us another solution, right? So like A here, which will give us A cancel, which will give us B, which is another solution, right? So this is like 2 and 3 are two solution and product is 6. And if we got any of these two, we can find another one, right? So we know that we have solutions here. So let's write the equation. Okay. So we wrote down the equation and give the condition here, where is p is greater than 9s, and we know solution of x now, right? It is p, right? It is p and product divided by p. So it is product and this is divided by p. So there are two solutions. So let's write down x1 is we have to give this p and product. What is product? Product is 2p squared minus 54p divided by p, right? So what is the value of yes? Okay, the value of yes is minus 494, right? So yeah, we done this, but okay, 54 is showing. I think it is some decimal place. Let me do again. Uh, Sometimes here in browser decimal is some program, right? So yeah, yes is 5, right? Yes is and yes is 6. So value of yes is 6. And this is important guys that in Chrome or in any browser there might be some glitch in decimal, so please rewrite your answer and in official page it won't happen. Yes, thank you.